Hello students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy. And dear students, we will be learning 8th English Medium Science. Chapter 2 Microorganisms Friend and Foe, Part 5. Students, in Part 4 we have discussed about the textual question answers, fill in the blanks and MCQ. In Part 5 we will be learning further extra MCQ, define and answer in one sentence. So make sure you all write these notes in your notebook. Let's start up. First one, which of the following is a causative agent of influenza? So the question is what? That influenza is caused by which agent? Options are A, bacteria, B, protozoa, C, fungi and D, virus. So the answer for this is D, virus. Bacteria, protozoa and fungi, they are microbes. So answer is D, virus. Second one, which of the following disease is caused by a virus? Options A, polio, B, cholera, C, tuberculosis, D, typhoid. Students, polio is caused by a virus. So the disease polio, it is caused by virus. C. And virus are what? They are intracellular parasites, not microorganisms. Third one, dysentery is caused by which of the following? A, algae, B, protozoa, C, fungi and D, virus. Answer for this is B, protozoa. Fourth one, which microorganism causes typhoid? Options are A, bacteria, B, protozoa, C, fungi and D, virus. So typhoid is a severe fever, students. It is caused because of the bacteria. Next one, which of the following is a bacterial disease? A, cholera, B, malaria, C, influenza. The answer for this is A, cholera. Next, sixth one, which of the following microorganisms have chlorophyll? Students, chlorophyll, it is of green color. Let's see the options. A, bacteria, B, fungi, C, algae and D, virus. So the answer for this is C, algae. What is called a fungi seen on moist or stale bread? A, mold, B, yeast, C, mushroom, D, none of this. So the answer for this is A, mold. Eighth one, which of the following is algae? Options A, amoeba, B, mushroom, C, paramecium and D, chlamydomonas. So the answer for this chlamydomonas is a algae. Next one, which of the following is not an antibiotic? Students, antibiotic is what? They are the medicines which are made with the help of organisms and they are given in the form of medicines or in the form of vaccines or injections. Options A, streptomycin, B, penicillin, C, tetracycline and D, aspirin. Penicillin, we all know it is made up of penicillium bacteria. So the answer for this is D, aspirin. 10th one, who invented the vaccine of smallpox? A, Louis Pasteur, B, Alexander Fleming, C, Dr. Edward Jenner and D, Robert Koch. Answer for this is C, Dr. Edward Jenner invented the vaccine of smallpox. Which of the 11th one, which of the following is responsible for the spread of tuberculosis? Tuberculosis, we can say it is a TB, is it? And how it is spread? It is a disease related to the lungs. See, let's see the option. A, air, B, water, C, food and D, housefly. The answer is A, air. Next one, by whom is the disease cholera spread? Options A, air, B, water, C, mosquito and D, none of this. So cholera is spread by B option, water. Next one, which disease is almost eradicated from the world? Option A, malaria. Eradicated means removed, we can say. A, malaria, B, tuberculosis, C, smallpox and D, cholera. The answer for this is C, smallpox. 14th one. Which vaccine given to children orally in form of liquid drops? Answer for this is options A. Diphtheria, B. Typhoid, C. DPT and D. Polio. The answer for this is D. Polio. Polio, they are given in a few drops in the mouth to small children's. Next one, 15th. Which of the following was invented by Dr. Alexander Fleming? A. Penicillin, B. Smallpox vaccine, C. Rabies vaccine and D. Fermentation. Answer for this is A. Penicillin. Next, against which disease does BCG vaccine give protection? A. Tuberculosis, B. Cholera, C. Malaria and D. Smallpox. Answer for this is A. Tuberculosis. 17th one. Which of the following is not a protozoa? Options A. Amoeba, B. Paramecium, C. Plasmodium and D. Penicillium. The answer for this is D. Penicillium. Next one, 18th one, which is called as a connecting link between living and non-living. So children, I told you, right, that they are virus. They are connected link between living and non-living, and they are what? We can say they are intracellular parasites. Options A. Virus, B. Fungi, C. Algae and D. Bacteria. The answer for this is A. Virus. Now, here I have given answer. Here the answers are already given. Okay, students. So, you can write the spellings from this. Now, here the 9th answer, you can see Galidium. It is wrong, students. So, don't write this. 9th answer we have written. What we have written the 9th answer? Aspirin. ASPIRIN. Don't write this. Okay. ASPIRIN. Okay. So, your 9th answer is this. 19th one, these are the textual answers which we have already written, so no need to write again, just we are revising it. Yeast is used in the production of A. Sugar, B. Alcohol, C. Hydrochloric acid and D. Oxygen. We all know the answer is alcohol. Next, the following is an antibiotic. A. Sodium bicarbonate, B. Streptomycin, C. Alcohol and D. Yeast. The answer for this is B. Streptomycin. Third one, carrier of malaria causing protozoa is. Students, we all know, is it carrier? We have already discussed that mosquitoes, houseflies, etc. they keep moving at different places, at dirty places. Why they are called carriers? Because they bring viruses and microorganisms with them. So we feel sick. Options are A. Female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly and butterfly. So the answer for this is female Anopheles mosquito. 22. The most common carrier of communicable disease is. Communicable means what? That this can be spread easily. Options A. Ant, B. Housefly, C. Dragonfly and D. Spider. The answer for this is B. Housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of A. Heat, B. Grinding, C. Growth of the yeast cells and D. Kneading. We all know, student, we did an experiment in the textbook, is it? We saw it, that how in a maida dough how the yeast grows so rapidly with a speed. So the answer is growth of yeast cells. Next, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Options A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Molding, C. Fermentation and D. Infection. So answer is what? C. Fermentation. Next, define first one microorganisms. The organisms which we cannot see with our naked eye, and they are called microorganisms. They are very small tiny particles or tiny organisms, we can say. Next, fermentation. I just repeated now only that the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast, it is known as fermentation. Next, Pasteurization. Pasteurization is what the milk is heated about 70-degree temperature and for 15 to 30 seconds, and then it is suddenly chilled. This is called pasteurization. There is a certain temperature and certain timing is there, and it is kept for chilling. So what this process is known as? This is known as pasteurization. Next one, answer the following questions in one sentence. First one, give the names of 5 viral diseases. Answer is, viral diseases are common cold, influenza, rabies, hepatitis and polio. Second one, give the name of any 5 bacterial disease. Answer, bacterial disease like cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, anthrax. These are bacterial disease. Third, give the names of diseases caused by protozoa. Answer, malaria and amoebic dysentery disease. They are caused by protozoa. Fourth, give the name of the fungal disease. The name of the fungal diseases are scabies, asthma, ringworm, etc. Next, which fungi grow naturally on or around dunghill in monsoon? In monsoon, mushroom, toad's stool, microorganisms grow naturally on and around dung hill. Next, which disease can be prevented by influenza, rabies, hepatitis and polio? Answer is, several diseases such as cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, hepatitis, polio, etc. can be prevented by vaccination. Seventh one, in which natural sugars can yeast grow? Answer, yeast can grow on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat and rice. Eighth one, what is the shape of amoeba and paraecium? They are the shape of irregular. The shape of the amoeba is irregular and the shape of paraecium is slipper-like. From which antibiotic production is achieved? From certain bacteria and fungi, antibiotic production is achieved. State any 4 names of antibiotic. The answer is, the name of antibiotics are penicillin, streptomycin, tetramycin and erythromycin. 11th one, how do pathogens enter our body? Pathogens enter our body through the air we breathe, the water we drink or the food we eat. They also get transmitted by direct contact with an infected person or carried through an animal. So how they enter pathogens? They enter through we breathe, the water which we drink and the food which we are eating. They also get transmitted. Transmitted means how they can transfer by direct contact with an infected person, and it can also be carried through any of the animal. How does food poisoning occur? 12th one, students, it occurs in the stomach, is it, if we eat junk foods or the food which is spoiled. Let's see. Food poisoning occurs due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Next, how do we know that the food is spoiled? Spoiled food emits bad smell and has a bad taste and color change. From this we can know that the food is spoiled. Next, what are communicable diseases? They are the microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person. What are they? They are communicable diseases.